Hey Beanos! Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a redemption message to go with your first redeem. So it could be something like Z cookie has been first X times. I will use Mixup for this just because I know it's pretty universal and it's very straightforward for most people. Okay, so what you want to do when you go into Mixup bot is you want to first create a new profile, and then it will ask you to create a Mixup login. I already have one, so we're just going to click login. Okay, so this is what it's going to kind of look a little bit like when you first load into Mixup bot. So you navigate this left menu here and you go to currency, rank, inventory. And then you want to click add inventory. So this menu is going to come up and you're going to name your inventory item. I'm going to first one because I already have one. And you want to have an item name. So with my one, I just did, again, first one. You want to have it all as like buy prices, like nothing, etc. You give it a title, an item name, a max amount. You could just do, you can put a number if you want a max amount that people can use, or you can just leave it and have it default. Once you've done that, you click this little save box at the bottom. Then you're going to come back to here and you're going to go to the left menu and you're going to go to Twitch channel points. So obviously I have a lot of them. So you're going to click new channel point reward. Okay, well, okay, we're going to do a new one. And we're going to call this first successfully created. Then you're going to go in and you're going to go edit this. A new pop-up's going to come up and it'll be this one here. So you title it whatever you want. Whatever you title it, it is going to come up as on Twitch as that. So for example, my one's just going to say first in lower capital letters. Then you press the edit button. This action on the bottom left here, for some reason it's not bringing up the pictures when I am showing you this, but it comes up with a long list of options that you can choose. So you want to choose consumables, currency / rank / etc. So it'll come out like that, and then you press plus. Choose the consumable that you made. So in this instance, I'm going to use first one. You want it to add to the user, so that pretty much means that when each single user uses it, it's going to go up by one for that person. Use the item name that you did, and the amount is +1, so you're having it add one each time. Again, you can click the action on the bottom left and do chat message. This is how you have it write the chat message. Do plus, then you go here, and when you went back to your other section, it did tell you what your special identifier is, but it's pretty much always the same anyway. So you write, I do /me, so it comes up a fancy way. Then you want to do username was here, or was first, whatever you want to write, was first. So it pretty much says the person who redeems it was first, and then you do user. In my instance, it's first one times. This will now work every single, and then you press save down the bottom. This will work every single time somebody redeems this. And then the only other thing that you will need to do is head over to your Twitch dashboard. This is your Twitch dashboard here. So I've already navigated it down, but you go to viewer rewards, power-ups and channel points. You can manage power-ups and channel points. And this is how you set it so that only one person can redeem it per stream. So you do edit on this one. So this is the first one that I made in MixUpBot. You scroll down, tick this one that says cooldown and limits. So you can do the cooldown time, so you can only redeem it every 60 minutes. You can do limit redemptions per stream, which is what you want to do for this one time per stream. Or you can do per user. So for example, if you are doing one that's like my redemption, the daily cookies, you would do one user per stream and leave that other one blank. But for this instance, with the first redeem, you want to have that as one there. And I believe that is it. I hope that helps you guys out. Gaming friend, love you. I hope that helps you do it. If you do need any extra help and it wasn't a very good tutorial, because it's the first time I've done a tutorial, let me know down below where you've gotten stuck, or come into my Discord and I can try and talk you through it a bit more in depth.